Welcome back to Bound News Network. We're actually working on a very special update for you, our subscribers, in regards to the situation with Tropical Depression Danny. It appears that it was actually upgraded to a tropical storm very shortly just before landfall, and it intensified. We did see a increase in cyclonic development with respect to the storm, but it quickly was downgraded to Tropical Depression Danny, and it's actually making its way across the border of South Carolina and Georgia now, and we're actually seeing it popping up on our remnants of it popping up on our Doppler radar. We do anticipate 1 to 3 inches of rain locally, with possible hail, as well as locally damaging winds, gusts up to 30 to 40 miles per hour. It's moving very slowly at about 15 miles per hour in the direction of west-northwest. We anticipate that it will bring showers, thunderstorms to residents of Georgia, and possibly make its way skirt along the area for northern Alabama into western Tennessee sometime tomorrow. But it is moving at about 15 miles per hour at this particular time. We had anticipated that it would increase in strength as it made its way across the South Carolina coast. However, it quickly was downgraded to a tropical depression, and we're now tracking it as it makes its way into the state of Georgia. For those of you who are tracking it, you can actually see that the coordinates are 32.6 north, 81.5 west, and you'll be able to see the very latest position based on the National Hurricane Center tracking model here that we have. Do keep in mind also that we are also taking a closer look at severe weather in the region of West Mexico also. We're closely watching this tropical storm. It was, as you recall, it was a little bit stronger prior, but now it's Tropical Storm Enrique, and it is moving at 60 miles per hour towards the northwest off the coast of Mexico. We do anticipate that it may intensify, but right now we're going to be monitoring the pressure, the central pressure, which is 992 millibars, and we do have a position for those of you who are tracking Tropical Storm Enrique, 21.1 north, 107.4 west, and it is moving very slowly towards the northwest at this time. This right now, it just appears that the tropics are extremely active right now. Not only are we wrestling with a heat wave in the North Pacific Northwest with out of sight temperatures, extending all the way up into Canada, which is breaking a lot of records in that region. And we're just pretty amazed by some of the readings that we got today, June 28th. We're kind of worried what to anticipate as far as the strength of this heat wave that is gripping the northwest region in this Omega block, which is a meteorological phenomenon that is quite rare, and it's very unprecedented for this type of heat wave to actually grip the Pacific Northwest at this particular time. If we look at some of the temperatures, you will be alarmed as we were. Some of the readings today, we saw that some of the max readings were in the 110 region for residents in the state of Washington, and these readings are going all the way up into Canada, 105 near Vancouver. And then we have in the region of Oregon, we do have for Portland, Oregon, at this particular time 95 degrees Fahrenheit, but we did see max temperatures in the mid 105, 106, 107 in the region of Oregon. So we anticipate that the temperatures will be pretty alarming as far as temperatures going into the tomorrow. We do anticipate that they will start to extend a little bit more eastward into the state of Idaho, and we do anticipate that temperatures are right now about 94 degrees in Boise, Idaho, but we anticipate that it will start to increase and max out possibly at 105, 107 in Boise for tomorrow and Tuesday. But we will continue to monitor the temperature forecast models as far as what to anticipate for temperatures for tomorrow. For those who are caught up in this heat wave, most notably the residents of the Northwest, definitely stay hydrated. Try to stay indoors. Try to, if you do have access to air conditioning, then definitely take advantage of any kind of centers for cooling. I did see on the news that Amazon actually started a center for cooling where residents could come and actually stay cool. So that's a pretty amazing there in the state of Washington. So there are a lot of different avenues as far as being able to escape the heat. By all means, definitely try and escape the heat going forward into this system. This heat as this system grips the Northwest at this time. Even in Fresno, California, we saw temperatures pretty high. Right now it's about 95 degrees Fahrenheit, but you can see in Central California that we're dealing with significant temperatures in the mid upper hundreds, 105, 107, 108, 109 in Central California. And then we see Yuma, Texas, 105, Yuma, Arizona, 105, Phoenix, Arizona, 106. Even in the southeast, as that tropical depression makes its way in, we do see temperatures in the mid 90s in North Carolina, South Carolina, and we anticipate that there's going to be some more rainfall in the northeast states. So definitely try and stay hydrated. Avoid any direct being outside if you don't have to, and also try and make sure you stay in a cool air-conditioned zone, especially residents in the northeast, northwest states such as Oregon, Washington, as well as Idaho. And we will continue to monitor this tropical depression, Danny, as it makes its way into the region of Georgia, going into North Alabama. We anticipate that this system will eventually venture into Alabama by early morning, and then that will bring additional rainfall to the region. And do keep in mind that this region, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, even into Tennessee and Arkansas, has been bombarded by severe thunderstorms for the last few weeks. So this area, as far as the precipitable water table, is going to be pretty advanced. So additional precipitation that they receive as a result of this tropical depression moving in. And it's pretty amazing that we have had so many systems, and it's relatively early in the hurricane season. So if this is a sign of the activity as far as the severity of the hurricane season, then we definitely have to prepare for a very active 2021 hurricane season going forward. But as always, here at Bow News Network, we are always putting together our Bow to the Weather reports. So by all means, do make sure you smash that notification bell, share this video with friends and family, especially those who may be affected by severe weather, whether it be heat or the tropical depressions, tropical storms that are impacting the continental United States. We sure do appreciate all of our subscribers, and please look forward to our latest and breaking news with respect to weather about our next Bow to the Weather report. And always, we appreciate all of our subscribers, and always remember to definitely bow to the weather. And thank you so much. Have a great evening and enjoy your night. Thank you.